Hey folks, and welcome to week number 3. Okay, so watch the video, obviously enough. Okay, watch the essay structure video. Okay, this just gives you a quick overview of essay structure. I know you've heard this in 101. I know you heard it all through high school. It is a little bit different, and I will kind of take a different take on it. So please take a look at it. Take a look at the sample essay 1. I will tell you right now, my experience with um, teaching this class is that the students who spend the most time with the samples do the best work on the final essays. Okay, excuse me. This is also an essay we are not going to do a rough draft and a final draft of. We will do that. I hope you can hear my kids screaming outside my door. The students, sorry about that. The students who spend the most time with the samples do the best job on these, and this is where it's going to be a one draft. We're done. We will have an opportunity to rewrite later in the semester of an essay, but right now this is just going to be a write, get feedback on it, get a grade on it, and sort of know what our baseline is and what we need to work towards. Okay. And then finally, this is going to get us prepped for essay 2. So there are simply some readings here for week 3. All you have to do is click on them. We've got links to both of these, and write an annotation of each one. Okay, so that is our to-do list for this week. Somehow, whoops, sorry about that, guys. I just ended up back in week 2. I don't know how, but basically our work this week is working on our essay, and then again just these readings and writing annotations of them. That's going to get us started on essay 2, which will start next week. Okay, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I am here to help.